Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at StrongBlock since they have made an announcement regarding strong nodes and the sustainability moving forward. And so I think the announcement they made blindsided a lot of people. This came by surprise, and so we're going to be going into that, taking a look at some details, and I'm going to be talking about what I am doing moving forward. And so if you enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And as always, this is not financial advice, this is just my opinion. And so before we get started, I'd also like to mention there is a link underneath the video to BlockFi, where you can earn up to a $250 bonus in crypto by signing up. And then if you are outside of the US, you can earn interest on your crypto as well. And so definitely make sure to check that out. And so let's go ahead and dig into the information that was released today. And so we can see on Twitter here, they have implemented some steps to increase sustainability. And so these steps benefit the community in the long term. And so a lot of people have been talking about sustainability since a lot of these nodes have been compounded for over a year now. A lot of people have a ton of nodes, and those people could continue to sell it off. We also had other projects that were using strong nodes to help increase money, and so they were also copying what StrongBlock was doing, and so that was creating a lot of sell pressure, therefore decreasing the price. And so I definitely think this is very positive to see. However, I did not think that they addressed this in the best fashion, and so we can see as well here that there's new features in StrongChain coming as well. And so I assume these new features in StrongChain will be coming along in the next couple of weeks or months. And then I'm going to be going over the announcement here more in depth, and then I also have an Excel spreadsheet explaining the difference between creating a node versus just buying Strngr coins. And so I'm going to be going through that, looking at the break-even point where the price needs to be for it to be worth creating nodes versus just buying tokens. And so make sure to stay throughout the video for that. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the announcement. And so we can see here the biggest change with this announcement here is that the Ethereum node lifetime rewards are limited to a maximum of 20 tokens per node. And so before this was unlimited, there was no node cap for each individual node. There has been discussion about there being a node cap for all the nodes on StrongBlock. And so once the maximum of 20 tokens has been accumulated on a node, that node will no longer accumulate or earn rewards. And so let's say that you bought a node about a year ago, and since then it has generated more than 20 tokens. The node can no longer earn rewards, and so that node is essentially offline. And so once you have your maximum of 20 tokens on a node, the node will not continue accruing rewards if you keep paying. There's no refunds on extra payments, and so make sure that you do not make those extra payments. You can see now on the new StrongBlock website with the app there, you can see where you're at with those rewards, and so that's definitely something to keep in mind. You do not want to overpay on that since there is no refund on those payments. And so what they're really starting to push here is the entangled nodes for Ethereum. And so there is a 50 node maximum per entangled node pack. And so this is what I've noticed they're really starting to push. This is a new product about a month ago. And then there also is Polygon node creation has been capped. And so you can no longer create Polygon nodes as well. I noticed that has already been removed from the app here. And so we can see that as well. There is just Ethereum nodes here and then entangled nodes. And so with the entangled nodes, each node will receive 0.075 Strngr per day with a 20 Strngr lifetime maximum reward. And so that's definitely something to keep in mind. And so that is where I'd like to go ahead and take a look at that Excel spreadsheet showing whether you should be creating nodes at the current price or just buying the token and then holding out. And so we can see right now the current price of Strngr is trading right around $21.35. And so this was relatively low. This was around $13 to $14 before the announcement, and then we started to see this pump up all the way to just about $30, and it has fallen down quite a bit now. And so let's go ahead and take a look at this here. We can see that the current price is right around $21, and if we make the assumption that gas fees are right around $10 right now, we're going to be using this for taking a look at what the cost is for the Strngr tokens to create the node, and then also the fees associated with that. And so just keep in mind that the gas fees can always change. This could go up to $20, this could go up to $100. And so right now the current fees are right around $10. This is pretty cheap for gas fees, and so that's something to keep in mind here. And so if we were to create a node today, it would require 10 Strngr tokens at $21, which would be $210. And so as we just looked at as well with the announcement, the lifetime rewards of these nodes is going to be 20 Strngr, which is going to be $420. And so for this example, we are going to assume that the cost stays at $21 for Strngr. Now this could always fluctuate, this could go down, and this could go up, and so that's something to keep in mind as well. And we can take a look at that here after I go through this example. And so the time frame to generate 20 Strngr tokens at 0.075 strong per day for an entangled node is about 265 days or approximately 8 months. And so this does take a little bit of time to get those 20 tokens, and then after that this node can no longer be used. And so let's take a look at some of the fees associated with this as well. There is a creation fee that's about $10 per transaction, and so any of these in red here can fluctuate based on the gas fee, and so that's definitely something to keep in mind. I'm just using $10 as a gas fee for this example. And so we have maintenance fees here that are $15 per month, and so this is a standard flat rate right here. And so over 8 months it's going to cost about $105 to generate those 20 Strngr tokens. And then we also have gas fees associated with paying the maintenance fees as well, which is approximately $10 per transaction, which would be $80 over 8 months. And so all of these fees here, we can see that these add up to $195. And so if we add all that together here and then subtract it from the total lifetime rewards of $420, we will get $225, which leaves us with a gain of $15. And so we're only gaining $15 more from our initial investment of $210 at the current price. And so let's say the current price falls down here to maybe 18, under $20, and then we can start seeing as it starts falling here with the transaction fees and the gas fees and the maintenance fees, we'd actually be losing money. And so at this point, when it falls down under $18, and if gas fees are still around $10, I would rather buy 10 Strngr tokens outright and just hold on to those until I start seeing more momentum behind StrongChain or Strngr, and then they release the news, and then we start seeing more momentum, and then I will go ahead and buy Strngr nodes. Since there's only 20 tokens that can be generated, I want to make sure that I'm on an upswing. I do not want to be paying these fees every month. If the crypto is continuing to fall, they are not releasing news as quickly as I anticipate. And so I'd rather just hold on to the tokens, and then once I see some upward momentum, then I will go ahead and start creating nodes, and then I will start generating those 20 Strngr lifetime rewards. And so this is definitely something to keep in mind. Right now at the current price, I'd be looking at buying anything over $20 and then creating a node. And if you are buying a node, you have to have a long outlook. You have to be very bullish on the future for Strngr and StrongChain. And so that's definitely something to keep in mind. If you're looking for a short-term flip here, I would definitely be looking to buy the Strngr coins instead and not focusing on the nodes just because they do have that cap now. And so if you enjoyed this video and you found it beneficial, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and make sure to check out that link underneath the video to BlockFi, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.